Why most of the people are not happy? Why there always been stress and anxiety? While always they are angry? One of the reason is that they always think about their past. The people had done something for me. They have said something to me. And some people always thinking about their future. What will happen? I haven't done this, I haven't done this. So in both situations, the human mind is not able to concentrate on the things that are right now with him. So the secret to the happiness is simply to live in this particular moment. The moment that you are right now, it cannot be changed. The particular moment, I'm talking about the particular moment, it cannot be changed. This is the another moment. This is the another. Now, whenever you feel that's the moment you are in right now, then there is a no way to be sad. You should be happy that you are you are alive, you are alive for this moment. You should enjoy that. Be happy. There should be no regret for your past mistakes or your past history. And you should not think about your future as well. Yeah, you can think, but you should not live in future, or you should not live in your past. These two things, if you remember, you will be more than a happy. You have to be in this particular moment to be happy. But this is not possible for most of the people because they have lot of things in their mind right now, and they have lot of regrets. And the human mind is such that it's always wandering from here and there, here and there, here and there. So you feel there might be something that is very crucial is going on in your life, but at that particular moment, if you're happy, but because at that moment there is nothing to regret, you live that moment as it is, nothing. Simply live that moment and see how it can help your life. It's very crucial for today's generation to live in particular moment to be unhappy. Otherwise, you always regret about your past, what people are thinking about you, what they have said to you, what should do in your future. It's a lot of things. Your mind is you can say it's a combination of lot of things that are going on into your mind right now. But simply calm and live in this current moment. That's it. The secret to happiness.